Hi, this is Sandeep, the ERP coordinator from Edunext Technologies. In this video, I am gonna show how to create a recurring meeting. First of all, go to the teacher dashboard module, open the left hand side menu panel and then click on Econnect option. In this page, click on the add button and as usual, click on meeting for student. Select your class. I am selecting 4th class here. And in the section field you can select multiple sections or single section, whatever you need. Then after that you can click on this subject field and then select your subject, type in the topic here on which you are going to schedule this meeting. So here is this e-recurring meeting checkbox. Click on this checkbox and after that you can see the view for the meeting information has been changed. In the URL field, type in the Google Meet URL. So open your Google Meet, click on new meeting button and then create a meeting for later. Copy the link from here and then go back to your eConnect page and then paste it in your URL field. After that, there is from date and to date fields. Enter the dates on which you are going to schedule your meetings. You can select a span of dates here. Suppose you are going to select from 9 to whatever you have to select that for 1 week, 2 weeks or whatever dates you need. Okay, and then type in the timing for the particular classes. I am selecting from 13 to 13:30, that is for half an hour. And then below that you can see the different days checkboxes here. Suppose you have to take periods on the alternate days, you can select those fields only, or if your class is on the whole week you can set these checkboxes as required. Okay, so for now I'm selecting the dates for 3 days only and I will click on save button and my meeting is scheduled. So in the Econnect page I will click on filter and then search my schedules here. I am searching my name in the employee field and then click on this from date and to date fields and search on your dates. So as you can see, these 3 days I have scheduled this meeting is visible here.